Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You need the right prerequisites first. Make sure Windows 11 is updated and you're signed into a Microsoft account. Open Settings, check Windows Update, and install pending patches. This resolves many store failures. Once done, run the built-in Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter to detect common issues automatically and apply recommended fixes. Make sure app permissions and date/time are correct, because certificate and sync errors often block the store. Now you're ready to move into targeted fixes when the basic checks don't restore the app. If basics fail, repair or reset the store app in Settings Apps Installed Apps. That preserves user data when possible. Next, open an elevated PowerShell and re-register the store package with Add Apps package using the Apps manifest path, then run WS reset. EXE to clear the Microsoft Store cache. This fixes corrupted package metadata. Also verify related services like Windows Update and Microsoft Store Install Service are running. Make adjustments in services. MSC. These steps rebuild the store and finish by testing whether the problem is profile specific. Create a new local admin account and sign into the store. If it works, your user profile is corrupt. Then run System Integrity Tools, SFC/Scano followed by DISM/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair Windows components that the store relies on. If the store still fails, capture error codes and consider an in-place upgrade repair install to preserve apps and files while fixing core system issues. Troubleshooting tip: if nothing helps, use the new account or restore from a known good.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.